Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Sig Sauer Red Dot Sight. The Romeo 5 features our MOTAC, which increases battery life by shutting down the system when not in use and instantly activates the system when it senses the slightest vibration or movement. Your sight will be up when you go into action. The Romeo 5 will mount on any platform, and the solid aluminum design will give peak performance and years of service. Activated through motion sensing technology, MOTAC immediately powers up illumination when it senses motion and powers down when it does not in order to extend battery life. Highly efficient, ultra-wide broadband, anti-reflection lens coatings reduce surface reflections to extremely low levels across the entire visible spectrum, providing superior light transmission. Electro-optics industrial design inspired by our legendary firearms. Deflection armor trapezoidal surfacing breaks up the shape and visibility of the optic, along with pistol slide serrations and grip checkering to add function to the form of all Sig Sauer electro-optics. Our second best red dot sight for the money is Vortex Optics Venom Red Dot Sights. The Venom Red Dot Sight 3 MOA promotes rapid target acquisition while providing a precise point of aim, getting shots down range and on target fast. The Venom's aluminum housing ensures this unit will stand up to whatever you throw at it. High quality, fully multi-coated lenses offer a clean, wide field of view. Power and dot intensity controls are conveniently located on the left side of the sight to choose between 10 brightness levels. The Venom also has an auto brightness mode that uses an ambient light sensor to control dot intensity if the shooter prefers. Parallax free. MOA wind, age and elevation adjustments are super sleek and make sighting in a breeze. The top load system makes changing the CR1632 battery a breeze, as you will not have to remove your sight to change the power source. The Venom Red Dot will fit well on your rifle or shotgun, giving you optimal flexibility. Ring seals prevent moisture, dust and debris from penetrating for reliable performance in all environments. For details, let's watch more.
The Venom Red Dot sight has a 3 MOA dot promoting rapid target acquisition while providing a precise point of aim, getting shots downrange and on target fast. The durable machined aluminum housing ensures this unit will stand up to whatever you throw at it. High quality, fully multi-coated lenses offer a clean, wide field of view. The top load system makes changing the battery a snap, so you don't have to remove your sight to change the power source. Power and dot intensity controls are conveniently located on the left side of the unit. The Venom also has an auto brightness mode that uses an ambient light sensor to control dot intensity. Flush 1 MOA windage and elevation adjustments are super sleek and make sighting in a breeze.
Third in our list is Trophy TRS-25 Red Dot Sight Riflescope. The multi-coated lens has an amber bright high contrast coating that works for daylight and nighttime. This especially helps our eyes in the dark, making it easy to see the difference between a brown tree trunk and a woodland creature. It's waterproof, fog-proof, and shockproof, so it's tough enough to take a beating. Matte black featuring a 3 MOA dot reticle with 11 brightness settings, mounts easily on most Picatinny rails and is compatible with pistols, shotguns, rifles and muzzle loaders. Waterproof construction. Ring sealed optics stay dry inside, even when totally immersed in water. Built to withstand bumps, bangs, drops and the rough and tumble environment of the field. Nitrogen inside the scope ensures interior optical surfaces won't fog due to humidity or rapid temperature change. Number 4 in our best red dot sight for the money list is AT3 Tactical RD50 Micro Reflex Red Dot Sight. Featuring a crisp 2 MOA red dot reticle, waterproof housing with shockproof internals, And weighing in at only 3.6 ounces, the AT3 RD50 red dot sight is ideal for shotguns, hunting rifles, and any other firearm with a Picatinny or Weaver rail system. A great red dot option is the AT3 Tactical RD50 Micro Reflex red dot sight. It comes with a lifetime warranty and has 11 different brightness settings that you can choose from. This sight has a 2 MOA red dot reticle that is great for precision shots, and the battery can last an impressive 50,000 hours on the lowest settings. Crisp 2 MOA red dot sight allows for accurate, both eyes open shooting. 11 red dot brightness settings provide optimal visibility in any light conditions. Multi-coated, scratch-resistant amber lens provides enhanced image clarity. Fully waterproof with sealed housing. Lifetime warranty. Shockproof circuitry resists damage from rough handling. Matte black anodized finish resists scratches while keeping a stealthy profile. Exceptional battery life up to 50,000 hours at the lowest brightness setting. Genuine Renata CR2032 lithium battery included. Factory direct pricing, no distributor markup. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Aimpoint Pro Red Dot Reflex Sight. If you're looking for the best red dot sight for the money to attach to an AR-15 or other similar rifles, I would say it's a toss-up between the Aimpoint Pro and the EOTech Red Dot Optic listed above. The Aimpoint Pro is one of the highest rated optics out there. I have used this optic and the EOTech listed above, and you're going to be happy either way. They both have slightly different features, and you need to decide which ones you want. The Aimpoint Pro Patrol Optic was designed specifically for law enforcement and police use. It doesn't have quite as many features and settings as the COM4 used by the US Army, but it still features a very crisp 2 MOA red dot and an insanely clear field of view. The Aimpoint Pro is about half the price of the COM4 and is overall a better value. That said, COM4 does have more features, including 3 more night vision settings and 3 more daytime settings. The Aimpoint Pro's always-on function is especially handy for those of you who may need to deploy your firearm at a moment's notice. This scope was made for law enforcement officers and military personnel in mind.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!